Hi, so I am trying to use Stardist on the images that you sent me. Uh, Bear with me for a couple of minutes, and I think I got it. Right, and then split channels. Okay, good. Remove this, remove this. Autofluorescence. Alright, this is the one we want. So image, of course, adjust brightness and contrast. We just put it to auto. So as you can see, uh, as we have discussed many times, that even when you set the threshold high, you kind of see that this dappy is sort of spread all over. There are some places where it is really bright, there are some places where it is really dim, and I don't know if the video is capturing all the colors, but you know what I mean. So I went to this plugin called as standard deviation. Where did it go? Integral image filters. I took standard deviation for around 60 pixels, and it sort of gives me this, which I say okay. So my bad. So duplicate. Sorry, I'm not really pro at this. I know some commands, but I'm not pro at it. But I guess this will be faster in your hands. Uh, but so I go back to plugins, integral image filters, standard deviation, subtract the standard deviation, and now basically we are just going to subtract uh, one image from the other image. So that's supposed to create a relatively, oops, pro. Okay, let's redo. All right, and then go to image, brightness, contrast, set to auto, and now you can see all this background is subtracted. You can see this background is highlighted. This looks relatively better even at so now I go to image, so process, filter, Gaussian blur, just a preview, just gives you a nice blurred thing. And now you go to your plugins, Stardist 2D, fluorescent nuclei, and these are the thresholds I set. Of course you can play around with this, and then just wait. And the computer is really slow, so it takes a little while. Alright, so now it's done. You can see it has captured most, not all, and you can just say show all. Alright, so if you see, it says captured most, not all. But more importantly, if you bring it back to here, you can quite clearly see that this big haystack, and I was trying for the most part in the morning, I was not able to get to this haystack, but you can see it's quite clearly done it nicely. And most glomeruli which were somewhere here, it has classified. uh, it's probably how many cells, let's see. 2653 cells. uh, Now yes, maybe it's true, maybe it's not, but I think you can play around with it and get a better sense of what's happening. All right, all the best. Thanks.